I'm sure there's a strategy that I could be playing, but I'm just gonna let it ride. If the cash tornado falls down before anything else, I just don't get what's in there. There's no hundreds in the playing field apparently, but there is in there. Now check this out. I want to point out the cows. We got cows and a tree. There's cloud. Oh! That one didn't last. That's down, one to go, guys. I'm actually playing over to the right side, trying to force that to fall. It's kind of stop pushing it. Oh, part of the house is coming down. The roof is starting to go. Oh no, but the tornado at the same time. No, 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 no. Which one's going to go first? I am officially out of quarters. Oh man, I got to be careful. Oh, it is so close. They either could go at any point. What was that? That was the house. All right, keep on. Stay up. Oh man, this thing is leaning backwards. No! Oh, what was that? Oh no! No, 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 no. No. As you can see, because I have it in there, official ruling is the tornado sort of outlasted the house. Even though half of it fell, the tornado was still in action. No, 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 don't get caught up, don't get caught up. Yes! Oh. Oh no, now the next problem is going to be the quarter situation. Too many quarters in the playing field. See, there's so many variables that come into this. Poor cow, he's still hanging on. We got the gold right there from the bank. That's what I'm going to call it. What kind of house is made of gold?